So in this part we will understand various types of sets. So first set is null, empty, void set. Okay. So first try to understand what is null set, empty set, void set. Okay, all these things are same. Now, so if the number of elements in a set is 0, okay, then it is null set, null, empty or void set. Okay, so if the cardinality means number of elements, if the number of elements in a particular set is 0, then you can say that it is null set. Suppose that I have asked you one question to find out the prime number which is even except 2. So you know that the answer is, you know that the 2 is the only even prime number and there is no other prime numbers, there is no other even prime number which is available. So you don't know how to write. So how will you respond? You will write the curly braces and you will keep it empty. Sir, this is your set A which contains even prime number except that 2. Okay, or also you can answer this thing as this way, this phi is a set which contains nothing. Okay, but look at this, be very careful about this set. See, this is not phi, means this time it is not null set. Here phi is the element of the set. In this set there is one element which is phi, so this is not null set. Okay, I hope you understand what is null set. Now we have singleton set. Now try to understand what is singleton set. If number of elements in a set is 1, then it is singleton set. Okay, suppose that I have asked you to write down the even prime numbers, so you will respond this way. Suppose that I am asking you to write down the your initial letter of your name. Okay, so what you will write? Sir, my name is, suppose it is something. So what is the first letter of something? S. Okay, so it is also singleton set. Suppose that if I'll ask you to write down a set which contains your age, so again singleton set. If I'll ask you about to write down the class in which you are studying, singleton set. Okay, what is your favorite subject among physics, chemistry or maths? Answer is maths, singleton set. Okay, so this is singleton, means if the cardinality is 1, it is singleton set. Now look at this, this is finite set. If number of elements are defined, okay, then it is finite set. Okay, suppose that there are 10 element, 20 element, 30 element, 50,000, 5,000, 2,000. Okay, so if you can count the number of elements in a set, it is finite set. Okay, and if you cannot count, Okay, if you're not able to count, it is infinite. Like set of natural number, set of even number, set of prime number, set of multiples of 17, you know it is infinite, है ना? So this is infinite. Now try to understand what is order of the set. You can also say that order of a set is equal to cardinality. Cardinality. And what is cardinality? Is equal to number of elements in a set. Okay, so if there exists a set in which there exist 5 elements, then you can say that the order of the set is 5, the cardinality of the set is 5. Okay, I hope order and cardinality is clear. Now try to understand what is equal sets. Okay, so look at the condition. If all the elements of set A belongs to set B, and you have to take care of both, and all the elements of set B belongs to set A. If these conditions are fulfilled, then you can say that both sets are equal. Like suppose that set A contains 1 1 3 5 7. Suppose that there exists set B which contains 5 1 7 3. Okay, now look at this. In set A we have 1 which is available in set B. In set A we have 3 which is available in B, 5 available in B, 7 available in B. Now look at from point of view of B. So 5 exists, so 5 is there in set A. 1 is there in A. 7 is there in A. 3 is in set A. So all the elements of set A belongs to set B, and all the elements of set B belongs to set A. This means both sets are equal. Now look at this. Suppose that we have 11 in set B. You know that all the elements that exist in set A exist in set B. But do you really think that all the elements that belongs to set B also belongs to set A? No. This time set A and set B are not equal. I hope this equality of sets you understood clearly. Okay? Now try to understand what is equivalent set. You will feel that both things are same, equal and equivalent, but it is not true. First, try to understand what is equivalent set. If the cardinality of two sets are equal, then it is equivalent. Okay, so suppose that in set A we have 1 3 5 7. In set B we have A B C P. Okay, so you know that set A and set B are not at all equal, but the cardinality means n of A is 4. Number of elements in set A is 4. The cardinality of set B, number of elements in set B is also 4. So the cardinality of both the sets are equal. This means they are equivalent. Okay, So these two sets are equivalent but not equal. Now try to focus on some equal sets. Okay, so suppose that set A contains 1, 5, and then 9, and then 13. So you got your set A. Now focus on set B. 13, 5, 9, 1. Now look at this. This set A and set B both are equal, 100% equal. And also cardinality is also same, correct or wrong? So can I say that all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets are not necessarily true that it is equal sets. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.